Before we get into this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to Mirrorcase for kindly sponsoring today's video. Hey guys, what is up, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be checking out this really cool dashcam by IIwey. Honestly, the only reason I got this dashcam is to have that extra peace of mind when I'm out on the road, because it is important to feel safe and comfortable at all times. And most importantly, protecting yourself if something was to go wrong, which pretty much explains why I got my hands on it. Before we unbox this device, be sure to hit that subscribe button as we are really close to hitting 1000 subscribers. When unboxing, we are faced with a detailed user manual that makes it easy for the user to set up and use. We have the front facing camera that comes with a 3-inch IPS screen, and there is also a rear camera, along with all the relevant wires to power it up and adhesive cable management clips to manage the long wires. We are also kindly given a 32GB micro SD card to store our footage, which is always good. This right here comes at a price of £42.98 on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below if you would like to check it out. The installation process is seamless and very easy. You won't need to be reading through the user manual as it's quite straightforward. First things first, just take everything out the box. Once that's done, you remove the plastic from the suction cup so that you can stick it to the windshield. Before you do that, make sure that your windshield is clean. I would recommend that you place your camera in the center to ensure that its wide angle lens can capture everything. Once placed, push up the lever so that it holds well. You would then have to plug in the adapter into the cigarette lighter, and then I would attach the other end of the cable to the camera to power it up. We are also given these adhesive cable management clips, which I truly think are very much needed, especially when plugging the rear camera, as there are a few wires to work with. This right here is the rear camera, and as you can see, it is fairly small. I'm going to be sticking it to the back using this double-sided adhesive tape. Make sure that you stick it very well to the camera, and when removing the other side, be sure to stick it to the middle of the window so that you can get a clear view. Once you have sorted out the cables coming from the back, plug it into the main camera, and once that's all done, just power on the car and the camera will begin to charge. Once turned on, it will start recording automatically. Just a side note, we are given a packet of screws. This is so that you can attach the rear camera on the outside of the vehicle just above where the number plate is. But for me, just attaching it on the inside of the rear window is more than enough. Before we get into the features of this dashcam, I would like to thank Mirrorcase, who have kindly sponsored this video, for sending me out 2 of their cases. I opted for 2 colours, black and midnight green. Note that they are available in other colours as well, including dark blue, red and purple. I love the matte finish on these cases that provide a stylish look while offering total protection for my phone. Fitting this onto your phone is perfectly straightforward. You just need to remove the top cover and gently align your phone like this, and then you just have to lock it in and you're all set. I love the shockproof bumpers to help provide the extra support when dropping my phone. The built-in protector glass works flawlessly whilst also preventing any scratches. If you guys would like to check it out, I will leave a link in the description below along with a discount code as well. Now, getting back to the review. This dashcam does come with a lot of amazing features, one of them being the loop recording and emergency video lock feature. The seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card gets full. The G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant video and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby preventing your evidence from being lost. The dual cameras automatically record at the same time when you start the engine, so you will always be under double protection. The full HD resolution with 170 degrees ultra wide angle lens provides outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. The rear view camera is waterproof, so you can also install it outside. The f2.0 aperture ensures full high definition recording during the day and night, so you will get a clear enough video even under low light environment. Obviously, upon testing it out, you can see that the daytime footage is fairly good and clear, and during the night the image quality is not so bad either. Of course, it is not the most crisp looking footage, but the quality is surely good enough for you to have as evidence. If you'd like to make further use of it, you can also use the rear camera to help assist you when parking. One feature that stood out to me the most was that both the front and rear cameras can power on and start recording as soon as an impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. This honestly put my mind at peace with the complete 24/7 monitoring of my car. I'd recommend that you use the Hardwire Kit to install your dashcam. This is because although the battery on the dashcam is fairly decent, it does eventually run out as it cannot continue running all night when the engine is off. So I would recommend that you use the Hardwire Kit to provide constant power when driving and when the vehicle is parked. It connects to the dashcam and helps regulate power to avoid battery drainage. It also helps to make your vehicle look much better with no wires hanging down. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you guys. I know that I haven't been producing a lot of content this summer as I have been away on holiday taking a bit of a break. But now I am back and I am rebuilding my new desk setup space, so I genuinely cannot wait to show you guys the full setup when it's finally done. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. I've been Ryan and I will speak to you guys soon. Take care.